As tech companies gear up to report their fourth quarter and year-end results, it's worth looking back at the industry's erratic year. Two of the highest flyers, Apple Incorporated and Facebook Incorporated, lost a combined $400 billion in market cap since September, according to Bloomberg data. Part of the problem was external, but some of the damage was self-inflicted too. When they report earnings this week, tech's biggest players will get their first shot at recasting the narrative for a better 2019. Facebook had a particularly tough year, largely thanks to factors under its control. The company continued to make missteps that cost it much-needed consumer trust. It found itself in the hot seat in Washington a few times, and some of its newer products like Facebook Watch failed to gain traction. Numbers that Wall Street will be keeping a close eye on for its Wednesday report will be how many people are using the service and how often, as well how the advertising business might have been impacted by its recent scandals. So far, even though the big political and social questions surrounding big tech are showing no signs of going away, advertisers see its products as an increasingly critical way to reach the users who stick around.